These are magnetic tiles for your kids. They come with 52 pieces. There's all different colors in here. It can help your kids learn colors, how to build things. They're very easy to use. They're magnetic and work on any side that you use to put together. It's fun for the kids to build some shapes, get some hand-eye coordination, and just have fun with it. Guys, can you count how many blocks there are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 8. I can read all mine.
Should we build something? What do you guys want to build?